In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step on how to transform your photo into a realistic Asian statue using Gemini AI, most advanced creative AI tool. Whether you want a marble statue look, a Greek sculpture style, or a Romantic classic effect, Gemini AI makes it possible with just a few prompts and edits. Now, how to do it? Watch to the end to know everything. Here are the sculpture texture, which you can use to market your sculpture and which you can use to create your own sculpture statue. Here I'll add it to a prompt to transform a photo into a statue. Now here to do it, click on this plus icon here, click on gallery or click on file to go to your folder. Now here scroll down till you find the photo you want to use here. Now here click on the photo, then click on done. Now here paste the prompt. Now here in the prompt you can see on the sculpture texture, here you can see marble, stone, bronze, terracotta. Now here I will use marbles here as a sculpture texture. Now here what you do now, after selecting your sculpture texture, what you do now is to send it. The prompt is in the description for you to use. Now here send it and wait for it. Now here is the result you can see. You can also download it by pressing on it like this and then click on save like this to save it. As you can see, it is downloading. Now here also to create a Romantic classical effect structure in order to make your statue look appetizing, like look more good. Here to create it, what you do now is to clear this like this. Now here click on create image. Now here upload the photo you want to transform. Now click on gallery or click on your file to go to the folder. Slide down till you find the photo. Just follow the same process. Now click on the photo and click on done. Now here paste the prompt. Now here you can see the prompt. Now here on the prompt you can see a full body marble sculpture. Now here you can change it to bronze, you can change it to talacum, you can change it to anyone here. Now here if you slide down here you can see white marble painter. Now here you can change it to bronze, you can change it to stone here, anyone you like. Also here on the background, here you can see white background. You can also change the background to any background you like here. Now after changing it or editing it, what you do now is to send it like this and wait for the results. Now here you can see the results. Now here you can see the Romantic effect, which will make the photo you transform into a statue more appetizing and good looking. You can see. You can also download it by clicking on this downloading icon and download it, or by pressing on it to download it. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I'll do so to reply you. Now see you on the next video. Peace.